up at River 2 Tackle, and it's lots of crab here, and they're alive, and there's some nice ones and some big ones and some smaller ones. And we're gonna go striper fishing in a couple days, and it's some real cool stuff here. Got a giant bass right here, and we got it on a crankbait, and it has a ginormous mouth right there, and it's a real big one, and I think Sunken's trying to eat it because it's some red marks on it, and it's a giant bass right there, and it's super big. I'm gonna let it go, and there he goes, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.